In front of me is OnePlus 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to hit App Lock. And if you don't have privacy password, you need to set it up to use your app lock. To do that, hit Settings in the pop-up, tap on Use a different password type and pick the best login method for your apps. Create it, repeat it to confirm it, answer this security question or click on it, pick one of those, or if you don't like any of them, select Custom Question and create your own. Then hit Confirm. Remember to answer it correctly below and set up your recovery email just in case you will forget your privacy password. Hit Confirm as well. When you're ready, select Confirm one more time, this time at the top right corner. Now use this switcher next to App Lock to activate it, and those switchers next to your apps to enable App Lock. So now, when I try to access any of those I just locked, icons that privacy password is required. To disable it from your apps, go into the same settings, enter privacy password and use blue switchers next to your apps. To switch off App Lock completely, use blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!